Hey everyone, today we are doing a rosemary and Parmesan crusted lamb rack with a red wine pan sauce and a tabouleh. For the marinade, mince rosemary and garlic. Rub all over the rack, covering with a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Cover with plastic wrap and let marinate for 30 minutes. While that is marinating, we are going to make the tabouleh. De-seed and dice 2 tomatoes. Finely chop the scallions, the mint, and the parsley. Mince 1 clove of garlic. In a large bowl, juice 1 lemon. Add the garlic. Add all of the ingredients to 1 bowl. Season. Toss together and add cooked couscous. Then let marinate for at least 1 hour in the fridge. While that is marinating, we are going to cook the lamb over medium-high heat to brown on all sides. For the crust, we will add breadcrumbs and Parmesan and press into the browned rack. Roast at 450 for 20 to 30 minutes. For the sauce, reduce 1 cup of wine into 2 tablespoons, then add cold cube butter. Let the cooked wrap rest for 10 minutes before serving. Slice and plate with couscous and sauce.